Hello everyone, welcome back to Corporate Connection. This is Pandas tutorial part 2 and today we are going to learn some of the most important Pandas operations that real companies, data analysts, AI engineers and ML developers use every single day. In part 1, we learned the basics, that is series, data frames and file handling. Today, we go deeper into selecting rows and columns, creating new columns, handling missing values, group by operations, all with real examples step by step. So, let's start coding. Section 1, Importing Pandas and creating data frame. First, let's import Pandas. This is always the first line in any Pandas program. When we write as PD, we are giving Pandas a nickname. So instead of typing pandas.dataframe, we simply type pd.dataframe. This is a universal standard. Now, let's create a sample data frame. I'll type a dictionary with lists. Each key represents a column name. And each list represents the values of that column. This is one of the easiest ways to create a data frame. Now, convert this dictionary into a data frame. pd.dataframe converts the dictionary into a tabular form. And just typing df prints the data frame in Jupyter or Google Colab. Section 2, Selecting Columns. Now, let's learn how to select columns using Pandas. When you use single square brackets, Pandas returns a series. This is basically one column from the data frame. Let's select multiple columns. Double brackets return a data frame. Here, both name and city are selected. This is super useful while filtering or preparing data for ML models. Section 3, Selecting Rows. Next, selecting rows. Pandas gives us two methods, loc and iloc. Loc selects rows using labels. Here our labels are 0, 1, 2, 3. So loc of 0 gives the row where the index label is 0. iloc is position based. Even if indexes change, iloc will always use numerical positions. Let's select a range of rows. iloc slicing works exactly like Python lists. It includes 1, 2 and 3 but excludes the indexing ending 4. Section 4, Creating New Columns. Now we create new columns, something you'll do in every data project. We take the salary column and multiply it with 10%. Pandas automatically applies this to every row. This is called vectorized operations, which is why Pandas is extremely fast. Now, let's create a total salary column. This adds two entire columns, again vectorized. No loops required, no complex logic. Section 5, working with missing values. Now, let's introduce missing values into the data frame. I am manually creating missing data to teach you how to handle not a number values. These values appear in almost every real world data set. Let's check how many missing values we have. Is null marks NaN entries as true. Sum counts how many trues we have per column. Let's drop rows that contain missing values. This removes any row which has even one NaN, but dropping rows is risky when your data set is small. So instead of dropping, let's fill missing values. We filled salary with the average salary. City with the word unknown. This is called imputation and it's commonly used in machine learning pipelines. Section 6, GroupBy operations. Now for the most powerful part of Pandas, GroupBy. This groups all rows by their city and then calculates the mean salary for each city. This is used in dashboards, reports, ML feature engineering, everywhere. Let's get more statistics. AGG lets us apply multiple functions at once. We get mean, maximum, and minimum salaries grouped by city. Now group by multiple columns. This groups the data based on both city and age. This type of analysis is extremely useful when working with customer data, sales data, or ML features. And that completes Pandas tutorial part 2. Today we learned how to select rows and columns, how to create new columns, how to handle missing values, how to use GroupBy for powerful analytics. These skills are absolutely essential for data analysis and machine learning. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Corporate Connection, comment what topic you want for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.